Okay, so we are using Redux Toolkit, right? What is Redux Toolkit? So Redux Toolkit package is intended to be a standard way to write Redux logic. It was originally created to help address the common concern about Redux. So it says in their official documentation, if we go to their official documentation, let me close these tabs. Okay, if we go to their official documentation, as you can see, this is the Redux Toolkit documentation. And the purpose of Redux Toolkit is to make the Redux logic easy to write, and it concerns about three common concerns about Redux. It addresses three common concerns. That is, configuring a Redux store is too complicated. So if you have used raw Redux before, you know it for a simple state or a very small state, you have to configure Redux. It was very tiresome. You had to create the store and make action creators and disperse those actions. It was very complicated. And it also says I have to add a lot of packages to get Redux to do anything useful. That means to use Redux, you have to install other depending packages. For example, we have to use, if we want to make Redux asynchronous functionalities, we have to use Redux Thunk. And another problem is Redux requires too much boilerplate code. As I said earlier, setting up a store, you have to write too much boilerplate code. So for this, we have our Redux Toolkit, and Redux Toolkit actually gives a solution to all these functionalities. So what does Redux provide? Redux includes some functions like the ConfigureStore. We can easily configure a Redux store with our create store with ConfigureStore from Redux Toolkit. With under the hood, we run the create store and manage everything. And it also includes Redux Thunks. Okay, great. What is Redux Thunk? We are going to learn later. And it includes Redux Thunk by default. So enables the Redux DevTools extension. I'm going to show you how you can watch your states in your Redux DevTool. And it gives us create reducer, create action. You can use this in your use case. Based on your use case, you can go to the official documentation and explore this. And we have our combined slices. If we have multiple reducers, we can use combined slices. And we have our create async thunk to make thunk functionalities and use Redux Thunk. And we have our create slice which we are going to use to make our our state, our reducer, and our actions, everything in one. So okay. So what is Redux Thunk? Before learning Redux Thunk, let me show you the store setup. We are going to go step by step.